That must be that. My God, this is actually starting to break my brain a little bit. Right, it's because I'm looking at the wrong program. The request isn't coming from here. I think this part's working fine. The part that's getting confused, because we're sending action acknowledge VR, which is an well, it was an old instruction for this. Like I say, I don't even use it anymore. That was for just asking, how may I help you, and all this shit, and it's like, yeah, that was too slow to respond, so I don't use it anymore. Yeah, okay, so then when I removed, that's probably what broke everything then. When I removed that function, yeah, okay, when I removed that function, I was flagging it out. I don't even need to send it anymore then if I'm not using it. Let's just get rid of this. Yeah, in any... Okay, I think this will fix it then. Is basically anytime I was using that... Here. I'm just going to nullify it for now. I'll just mute it. Yeah, that line can just be removed from every single thing now. Because that's what's triggering the OpenAI requests. And there used to be a filter on it that looked for that and then triggered that coroutine with the response. But because I guess I must have removed the filter and left the coroutine in, and that's what's causing it, I think. Alright, try it now. We are getting there. It's just I've got to reverse engineer my own code from days ago and my fucking memory sucks. So there's that.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Jesus. This thing is built to torture me. Cat. Cat. Please. Please just fucking do it. Cat. Right, fuck you. I swear to God, I am so fucking sick of this voice recognition thing making this so fucking hard. Right, where the fuck... I have to fucking change this now. Right, where is this fucking cooldown on phrases happening? Because it's driving me fucking insane. It seems so inconsistent as well. Now I've got to reverse engineer this shit. Is there not like a fucking general setting anywhere? You're joking, aren't you? This plugin sucks, to be honest. Import. There's like nothing. From scene. Example dictation. You're joking, aren't you? There's absolutely fucking no settings anywhere. Languages. Dialects. Yeah, there's absolute fuck all in here for customizing this. So now I have to go and fucking reverse engineer this shit. To figure out where it's happening. I think it's because it was built to try and... I think its whole purpose is to, like, you know, allow you to dictate, like, I don't know, typing up Word documents or something. So it's kind of looking for entire sentences or paragraphs or something. So when I say cat and then I wait 10 fucking seconds and it doesn't come up with anything, and then I say cat again, like it's adding that to some kind of fucking like overall phrase that it thinks I'm trying to come up with. And it's like, no, that's not what I'm fucking doing, you piece of shit. This thing really could use some options though. Like this thing cost me money as well. This isn't a free plugin. This one actually cost me money. And it's fucking dog shit, to be honest. The lack of options is fucking ridiculous. There's nothing in here. Ugh. You know what? I can't deal with that right now. Let me just restart it, and yeah, that's for another day. That's going to be a whole day's fucking work, probably.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Cat. Cat, 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 cat. See, that's only going to make the situation worse. Cat, cat. To be fair, it comes up with fucking cat, cat a lot. It's like it's designed to fucking torture me, right? Like, yes, it's definitely understanding the wake word, but it's just not fucking outputting it as a final prediction, which is what my system's built on. Its final predictions. But every now and again, it will say cat space cat just to fucking super wind me up. So let me add that to my wake words just to make it slightly less annoying. My God, like it's just... Cat, cat. Right, fucking...
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Cat. Okay, what I might be able to do, right? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. There might be a better way of doing this. Like, it seems to... The biggest issue it has is with the wake word. Because, like, it doesn't like... It doesn't like to predict one word because, like I say, I think this thing was built to sort of build sentences and paragraphs and whatever, right? So I think once it's recognized a word, it's holding on to wait, like, well, where's the rest of the sentence kind of thing. But given that it's mainly torturing me on cat's wake word, if I look at the fucking UI that this thing has, that will be in here somewhere probably. So if I can just identify where it's showing up, and then we can sort of search there as well, then maybe we can fucking get this thing to actually fucking be less fucking annoying. Right, let's just put that there. So I can see what the fuck it's... See, it'll probably come up here.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Oh, now you fucking work.
Hello CP Copyum. Hello CP Copyum.
Look up banana. Okay, so everything worked Although that shouldn't go to the AI. Why is that going to the AI? It shouldn't be. Why is it doing that? I hate inconsistent shit. Anyway, like that's okay, that's the biggest issue now is for some reason. Oh, I know, I think I know why. Okay, it's because the component was disabled because of the way I was using it in the inspector. Okay, so we didn't get a search query.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Okay, I was wrong about this thing. It's like it's ignoring cat. 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 Cat.
Hello CP Copyum.
Look up. Next Genshin banner date. Okay, there we go. We got a response from OpenAI. So, there's our response. Finally. Yeah, I don't know. This is really weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Why? Like, it just... It's like it's... It is. It's like it's designed just to fucking torture me. It's like it... It's like cat is the hardest word for it to hear or some fucking stupid bullshit. Like, for no apparent reason. I may even want to change its wake word. Oh, fuck. Did I accidentally send it the old query? Yeah, I think I forgot to change my... Yeah, I'm sending, say this is a test still.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Look up
Hello CP Copyum.
Genshin banner date. Kenshin Bonadesh. Yeah, that's what I said. Kenshin Bonadesh. Kenshin Bonadesh. That sounds like some kind of fucking anime. I need to start closing some of these fucking... I got way too many of these open. I'm gonna close them all. I'm not even using any of them right now. Okay, let's see what it came back with. Okay, I feel like it didn't get... I feel like it didn't get the query correctly. Let me just test that.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. Cat. Look up Genshin
Hello
banner
CP
date.
Copyam.
Yay. Okay, it actually sent AI query. Why? So I don't think it wants the backslash. Hmm. Okay, let's get it back to what it was, because it was working. I should always mute the original. Yeah, okay, there's the original. Let's make a copy of it. And see what went wrong. It was sending my variable name as the variable name. But there's a lot of weird like escape sequences and stuff in there that's confusing me, so I just need to, it's just a formatting issue.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Why does this fucking thing hate the word cat? Cat. Look up.
Hello CP Copyum.
Well, I didn't tell you what to look up. It doesn't matter right now because we sent the text one to it anyway. Okay, that's fine then. Because that's basically what I need to work off of. So this is what a JSON standard request looks like. I don't think it should have the plus in it, so actually that could be formatted better. Yeah, I think that's what it should look like. Which should make it look like that. What a weird way of formatting it. Okay, that's fine. So now I can use that as a template. So that right there is the actual text. Now, if I type my variable name in there, this is the issue that I have. If I type my variable name in there, it's just going to type it as a string. So it's like I need to come out of the string building, which would normally be that, right? And then I just put my variable in there. I feel like that's not working. Oh yeah, no, now it's gone white. Okay, yeah. Well, that's what I tried to do last time. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, this should be correct now. We also want to analyze the response and make sure it's actually good for what we want.
Cat GPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. I swear to God, I'm just... This thing is... It's like you couldn't test my patience anymore if you tried. And I don't have a whole lot of patience to begin with. Cat. 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 Look up.
Hello CP Copyum.
Right, why is it sending fucking... Am I leaving this open or something? There's something weird happening. It shouldn't be... It shouldn't be sending look up as a fucking query. I don't know why it's doing that all of a sudden. Whatever. Yeah, the wait, what did it send it at? AI query at CatGPT. Yeah, so it's sending. Oh my God, this is so fucking annoying. It's sending the wake word. This wake fucking system is the thing that's literally torturing the living shit out of me. So it looks like we sent a chatbot query at ChatGPT. Like what we send to the fucking screen to the chatbot. Why? Oh, wait, I know why. Because we set conversation to true, and now lower down we say if conversation is true, send the so how the fuck am I meant to do this then? So maybe I do need that bool of like, was this request complete? Oh my fucking god. Right, okay, fine. But now, how am I meant to see? This is the like I can't no because this creates like it creates like a logical infallacy or whatever the fuck you call it. If I set that bool to false to true now, there is no way to set it to false to indicate that. Although, hang on, don't we call VR cooldown? No, we only call VR cooldown on chatbot conversations. I suppose I could call VR cooldown on it anyway, because all that does is wait for 10 seconds, but then that means it's going to take 10... Oh, for fuck's sake. Do I need to make a new cooldown for this? Oh my god, this is so fucking ridiculous. Probably, I'm probably going to need to make a new cooldown for it. I just need to stop it happening again on this frame, basically. Fine. Reset request status. One-tenth of a second, and then set request complete. What did I fucking call it? Current request complete equals false. Put it back to false. Now what's this thing's fucking problem? Nah. God, an absolute fucking joke. Then I need to make sure that on the wake word, I don't know whether I need to do it on web requests as well or not. I really don't know. For now, I'll just put it in the wake word because that's where it's causing me trouble. Start coroutine. Reset request status. Reset request stat. Okay, I'll change it to status because that's probably a better name. Yeah, okay, it needs quotes. I always forget that. It's just kind of weird, that's why. Okay. All right, now what happens?
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat, look up Genshin banner date. It's fucking doing it still. Now, like, it's doing it on lookup. Fine, fuck you. I'll just put one of these in. That's what I made it for. Look up. Where's look up? Fuck you, you piece of shit. Try and do it now, bitch.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat, look up Genshin banner date. Genshin banders. Okay, on the plus side, it only made the request. Okay, it only made the request when it was meant to. On the bad side, it misheard me and said Genshin banders, which makes no fucking sense. And also on the bad side, it came back, OpenAI came back with bad request. How is that a bad request? Does it not like the line break? Okay, maybe it doesn't like the line break. Yeah, it probably doesn't like the line break. Because I would have to format the line break as an escape sequence, I think. How do I do that? Yeah, I'm gonna assume. I'm gonna assume that it's the line break that's messing it up. Make sure it's not that it's running out of tokens or anything. Okay, let's try that.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Look up Genshin patch date. Okay, we sent the response at the right time. Let's see what we got back. Finally fucking getting somewhere. Nice. It figured out that we were talking about Genshin Impact. So it added Impact, and then it put Genshin Impact patch date in square brackets. That's exactly what we want. Okay. That's exactly what we want. I think, though, it didn't put it in AI response. Why? Oh, because, yeah. Okay, that's actually fucking perfect. Okay, that's actually fucking perfect. Right, so we'll give it a time limit of like 5 seconds or something. That's what I'll do. So I'll do a float timeout equals time plus 5 seconds while time is less than timeout. Get it to work for 1/10 of a second, so it's checking 10 times a second. That wants to be new. What? Where's AI response? I thought manual request had AI response. It does. So why aren't we? That is saved, right? Why isn't that coming up? What? That makes no sense. Manual request. AI response. Ugh. Why aren't you finding it? Come on. It's right there. It's a public fucking string. Oh, wait a minute. It's because we've got an error. No, that's not even in here. Oh my god. Why is it doing this to me? Get response equals manual request. Yeah, oh, I know why. Because that's the game object. Okay, that's my, yeah. Manual request. Yeah, no, okay, that makes sense. Right. I'm just gonna go to the toilet. I'll be right back. Okay, so and if AI response, or if get response is not nothing, then we can set timeout to 0. Timeout. Thank you. Equals 0, so that we come out of that condition early. No point waiting for it if we've already got it. All right, so now we should have the, well, no, we need to get it first. So split response equals get response dot split, using the start of it will be there, right? And then we can say get response equals split response position 1, and then make a new array split end equals get response dot split, and it doesn't matter what human garbage it sticks in there. Actually, interestingly enough, my DaVinci model is giving me better answers than well, it's giving me something closer to what I want than ChatGPT 4 was. ChatGPT 4 is almost too good at pretending to be a human. I want like, I'm just looking for a query. Okay, and then actually I just realized that should be position 0. No, wait a minute. See, this is where maybe I need to be a bit careful here. I don't know what that will do if it gives me a response like it did a second ago. Because literally, its response... I mean, it did give me some line breaks, though. Other than the line breaks, hopefully it will include the line breaks in position 0. But yeah, it literally just gave me what I was looking for. It didn't fluff it up with human language or anything. Yeah, so in which case that will be in position 1. And it's the second one that wants to be at position 0. Okay, so from that we should have the syntax that we want to use for a Google search. I honestly feel like the speech engine is going to take too long to tell me out loud what it's searching for on Google. Because, yeah, this Google search takes like 0.2 seconds, and this will take another 0. It'll probably give me the answer in less than a second. The slowest part of this whole system is Microsoft's text-to-speech API, which takes a little while to generate the audio for it and then download it and then speak it to me. For now, I'll just debug.log get response to make sure that that is giving us what we want. So let's do a couple of tests, make sure that this debug.log is giving us what we want. Because the Google only has 100 free searches per day for your custom search engine. Now, so far we've done about 3, so we've still got like 97 free searches today. But still, you know, while debugging this, we could eat up 20 or 30 of those. Again, it probably wouldn't really matter, but I just want to make sure this part's right before we start using our searches up. Cat?
Cat GPT is ready and waiting.
Cat? Look up. Genshin Banadate. Okay, that's kind of weird. It sent... Why did it do that? Okay, that's strange. It sent a request to OpenAI and we got one back. It's just repeatedly sent it. Yeah, it's just sent the same thing over and over and over again. Okay, I guess we didn't find a way. Well, to be fair, we never marked this as being complete and whatnot. Yeah, we just sent the same query over and over again to OpenAI. Right, now it came back and said, Genshin Impact Band-Aids. So its first response to us was absolutely perfect. The problem is also its second response was absolutely perfect. Yeah, every single response has come back perfect from OpenAI. Very impressed. But what's weird is it's saying, unless there's another square bracket in there or something that I'm not seeing, it's saying that that is out of range. Yeah, okay. I do notice now there is a square bracket that comes after choices. Yeah, actually, so that wants to be position 2. Because that's going to be position 1 at 0. That's going to be position 1, and then this is going to be position 2. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Also, can we stop it doing it over and over and over again? Why is it doing it over and over and over again? We just need to set its internal bool. To false. There we go. Beautiful. All right, let's try that. This is actually working really good. It's painful getting there, but holy shit, this is going to be cool. I mean, fucking OpenAI can't do this. ChatGPT can't do this yet. So if I can pull this off, this is actually going to be pretty fucking cool. This is going to be the power of a language model mixed, combined with the power of Google search. So it's kind of what Microsoft are doing with Bing, right? Except I'm a guy sat in his freaking bedroom doing this as a hobbyist.
Cat GPT is ready and waiting.
Cat? 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 Look up Genshin Bandits. Perfect. Genshin Bandits. Now it it understood it as Genshin Bandits, but you'll see what it's done there, right? What it's done is sent an OpenAI query to say, give me Google syntax for a Google search for Genshin Bandits, because it thought we said bandits, which is fine. It figured out that I was talking about Genshin Impact, the same as ChatGPT 4 did, and then it sent me, I mean, this was a bit of an easy one, right? It sent me a good search query for Google, which would be Genshin Impact Bandits, because it thought we said bandits. So that's working perfectly. So now we can just take this and obviously send it to Google, try and get the answer. So let's try it again. Give it a bit more of a challenge.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand.
It's okay. We're flooding it. Okay, everything I just said on stream got pushed through, and it's in conversation mode right now. So it thinks that everything I just said was aimed at a, yeah. So let's just come out of it. Otherwise, we're going to be flooding OpenAI with requests. My credit usage is going to go up. So start again.
ChatGPT is ready and waiting.
Cat. 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 Look up. When is the next Genshin Impact banner?
I don't know.
Okay, we sent that as a chat request, to be fair to her. So she's saying she doesn't know. Which is fair enough. But look what happened. That is fucking perfect, right? So we said, when is the next Genshin Impact banner? Which is like a very human-like sentence, right? That's me sort of talking to Cat. And then it came back with the Google search syntax as Genshin Impact banner release date, which I think is fucking absolutely spot on. This is working really, really well. I do need to stop her getting that. So it looks like she's getting, yeah, there's the AI query there. It looks like she's getting an AI query when we're doing a web search. So let's see when that's happening. Yeah, this like, maybe this is triggering per frame. Yeah, okay, what we need to do as well then is just, you'll see it's because voice request is not null, so we just need to make sure voice request goes to null as well. Although, I think voice request is used to build the... Oh no, we already do, yeah, we already do it here. Yeah, we already sent the voice request to that. Yeah, so we can clear that out, and that stops this from triggering again on future frames. Okay, that'll stop her responding to us as a chatbot. Okay, good. This is working, honestly, this is working perfectly. This is exactly what I was hoping for. This is really good news. Okay, so we've got our we've got our Google query now. So the next thing to do, really happy with that, is we go and send that query to Google. Do we have access to TXT subtitle from this? Yeah, we do. What I'll also do is I'll update TXT subtitle with the Google search. Cat is search is Googling. There we go. Okay, so then we want to go to our search web, get component, search web, and we want to search for equals get response. And then we want to go and enable that. So that can go and do a web search for us. And then we'll want to start a new coroutine where we'll put await Google search.